10 all-natural ways to stay young. Certain famous people some way or another appear to age backward. Other than skipping sugar in light of the fact that truly who might need to do that for a lifetime? Are there insider facts to beat the continually ticking maturing clock? Completely, specialists state. Furthermore, no, you needn't bother with a variety of insane pills and mixtures. Try these 10 brilliant procedures that are characteristic age erasers. 1. Offer yourself a reprieve. Late examinations show that pressure causes physical changes in the body that can quicken maturing. Floods of the hormones adrenaline and cortisol cause pulse to rise and the heart to pulsate quicker. Nowadays, when our stressors appear to be unwavering, a constant flow of occupation pressures, gridlocks, cash issues, ceaseless dosages of adrenaline and cortisol negatively affect our physical and passionate well-being. 60 to 90% of every one of specialists' visits every year are identified with uneasiness, misery, over-the-top displeasure and aggression, a sleeping disorder, hypertension, coronary episodes, all issues brought about by pressure. The best method to end this damaging chain of occasions is to ponder the unwinding reaction. The strategy includes rehashing a mantra, word, sound, expression, or supplication for as meager as 10 minutes every day. Attempt it more than once day by day, for 10 to 20 minutes, sit in a calm spot, close your eyes, loosen up your muscles, roll your head, neck, and bears, and inhale profoundly. On each breathe out, rehash your mantra. Here are 10 prospects to move yours. On the off chance that different considerations attempt to attack, let yourself know, goodness, well, and come back to your promise or expression. At the point when you're set, keep your eyes shut for an additional moment, gradually permit regular musings to stream once more into your psyche. Still not into the possibility of contemplation? Do yoga, or something dynamic and dull, as careful running. Concentrate on your breathing and how your feet land with each step. Get your daily agenda off of your mind. 2. Expend more fat. The solid kind, that is. Omega-3 unsaturated fats found in salmon, pecans, and seeds help balance out your state of mind, keep up bone quality, and help forestall obvious indications of maturing by diminishing aggravation in the body, a main enemy of maturing, master and creator of 7 secrets to beauty, health, and longevity. Omega-3 additionally help the capacity of the body's compounds to haul fat out of capacity from your hips, state and use it as vitality. Omega-3 keep you sound and your skin brilliant. Attempt it. For all intents and purposes, each master concurs that you need 2 grams of omega-3 unsaturated fats a day. Seat of the Division of Anesthesiology at the Cleveland Clinic in Ohio and co-author of You on a Careful Nutritional Plan. Eat a lot of greasy fish, for example, wild salmon. A 3-ounce serving has 6.9 grams, just as pecans 1/2 ounce has 9.2 grams. In the event that you aren't getting enough omega-3 from your eating regimen, consider taking fish oil supplements. 3. Get off the lounge chair. In addition to the fact that regular exercises assist you with getting thinner, tone muscles, construct more beneficial bones, and lift state of mind, it can likewise assist you with deduction plainly. Studies referred to by the National Institute on Aging exhibit an association between physical exercise and better intellectual competence. Strolling for only 10 minutes daily brings down your danger of Alzheimer's by 40%, overseer of the UCLA Center on Aging and co-author of the Healthy Brain Kit. Physical molding diminishes pressure and uneasiness, which crash your memory bank. Attempt it. Set aside a few minutes for 3 20-minute exercises 7 days, similar to this 20-minute daily practice from VIP mentor Lacey Stone. You can likewise run, bicycle, swim, move, just do whatever you appreciate most. 4. Feel the adoration. Any individual who's at any point fallen head over heels or found a movement that makes them anxious to leap up in the first part of the day realizes that energy is an incredible medication. It's the focal inspiration of all human movement, sex, and the seasoned woman. The capacity to grasp life helps confidence, energizes the invulnerable framework, and improves cardiovascular well-being. Enthusiasm in bed can be especially helpful. Adoring contacts discharge hormones, including oxytocin, that lessen pressure and tension. educator of medical procedure and bad habit administrator of cardiovascular administrations at New York Presbyterian Columbia University, just as the co-author of You on a Tight Eating Routine. In the event that sex is a simply Epicurean procedure, it won't have similar outcomes. Attempt it. Expel weariness and segregation no matter what. Revive the blazes with your accomplice. Or then again find another affection as a psychological or physical interest. Take up painting, join a book club, start a running project. Do whatever it is that causes you to feel empowered and alive. 5. Drink red wine. A weighty report indicated that mice on a high-fat eating routine enhanced with resveratrol, a substance found in the skin of grapes, had longer normal life expectancy than those not given the resveratrol. As indicated by the investigations of the National Institute on Aging, resveratrol unmistakably diminished the danger of diabetes and liver issues in mice, prompting a critical decrease in corpulence-related passings. Be that as it may, here's the trick. You'd need to drink 180 jugs of red wine a day to get similar advantages. Analysts are working currently to improve the strength of resveratrol so as to build up a pill that contains the ideal measure of the substance. Meanwhile, there's a lot of proof that a little red wine can counterbalance a large group of medical issues. A creature concentrate recommended that red wine can lessen cerebrum harm brought about by stroke by as much as 40%. Furthermore, research delivered a year ago demonstrated that grapeseed procyanidin, found in red wine, lessens blood vessel obstructing, bringing about lower blood cholesterol levels and a decrease in passing from coronary illness. Attempt it. Until an ideally strong resveratrol pill is accessible, appreciate red wine. However, it's ideal to follow the most recent liquor rules from the American Medical Association and drink close to 1 glass 4 ounces a day for your well-being. Related, how to buy an awesome bottle of wine every time. 6. Do yoga. More vitality, better stance, more noteworthy adaptability, improved state of mind, and less pressure are only a portion of the compensations of this brain-body exercise. Yoga signifies association in Sanskrit. Organizer of New York City's Om Yoga. Through cognizant yoga breathing, you become mindful of the association among psyche and body. That converts into significant enemy of maturing preferences. Yogic breathing has been appeared to oxygenate the cells, freeing them of poisons, forestalling sickness, and making skin brilliant. In contrast to different activities, yoga presents are intended to work within your body just as the outside, which restores the stomach-related framework, the regenerative framework, even the invulnerable framework. Yoga resembles wringing your body out like a washcloth. It's probably the most ideal approaches to keep things moving. Attempt it. Practice yoga or other brain-body exercises at any rate 2 times every week, says Lee, to give yourself a jolt of energy, assist work with boning mass, and distress. 7. Chomp into a superfruit. There's a valid justification we're hearing such a great amount about pomegranates nowadays. Current examinations show that they are more gainful than different organic products. Pomegranate juice has been found to bring down cholesterol and circulatory strain, perhaps defer the beginning of atherosclerosis, and possibly help diminish the danger of Alzheimer's illness. Specialists trust it might likewise help keep a few types of disease from beginning or advancing. Pomegranates can likewise shield the skin from harm brought about by UV beams. Another promising enemy of ager is the goji berry, a natural product local to Tibet that flaunts multiple times more nutrient C by weight than an orange and is viewed as the most plentiful wellspring of carotenoid, a kind of cell reinforcement, on Earth. This little wholesome stalwart, which tastes like a denser, better cranberry, likewise contains more iron than spinach, 18 amino acids, calcium, magnesium, zinc, selenium, and nutrients B1, B2, B6 and E. The goji berry animates the arrival of human development hormone, a characteristic substance in the body that improves our capacity to rest, causes us look more youthful, lessens fat, improves memory, helps moxie, and upgrades the resistant framework, he says. Attempt it. Nibble on a bunch of dried goji berries for the duration of the day. Make certain to purchase ones from Tibet, since they have high serum levels. What's more, drink pomegranate juice. Not a devotee of the flavor? Get it in concentrate and add a tablespoonful every day or plain yogurt. 8. Taste green tea. The well-being buzz about this blend continues getting more grounded. Green tea has been found to decrease the danger of bosom disease and forestall abatement, and now it's being tried as an approach to help forestall bladder, colorectal, and lung malignant growth. Repeat. Green tea is an astounding compound as far as hindering the flagging system that is connected with the movement of malignant growth. A teacher of natural chemistry at Tufts University and head agent of the disease study. It's likewise a compelling weight the board specialist since it seems to fire up digestion. Fundamental exploration demonstrates that green tea may even assistance forestall Alzheimer's sickness. A Japanese report distributed in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that drinking at any rate 1 cup a day can help keep your mind sharp as you get more seasoned. Attempt it. Taste a few cups day by day for a week. 9. Slather your skin with supplements. Retinol, a sort of nutrient and a non-prescription, more fragile quality relative of retin-N, is considered the best over-the-counter treatment to smooth the skin and forestall wrinkles. Organizer of the New York Dermatology Group in New York City. Retinol causes the skin to delicately strip, uncovering a silkier, rosier, and more flexible layer. Promotes the advantages of alpha-lipoic corrosive, a strong cancer prevention agent that normally happens in the body. Alpha-lipoic corrosive is an awesome enemy of maturing system. It has been appeared to diminish barely recognizable differences, improve skin surface, fix pores, and give skin an overall brilliance. Another incredible age-resisting fixing is Dominguez Sol, or madecassoside, an Asian plant separate that helps full the skin, limit barely recognizable differences, and re-establish a young gleam. Dominguez Sol has been utilized in France for a considerable length of time to help mend scars and wounds. European examinations have likewise discovered that it lessens wrinkles, re-establishes a movability to skin, and hydrates skin cells. Attempt it. Search for skin creams containing retinols. Not certain where to begin? The best retinol products for every skin type. According to Top Derms, another great method to guarantee cell turnover, ensure your skin against free radicals, and animate collagen development is to apply Nutrient C serum under your cream and cosmetics. Some master-endorsed decisions along these lines: the best vitamin C skin care products for brighter, younger-looking skin. 10. Do mental vigorous exercise. An examination distributed in the Journal of the American Medical Association shows that mind activities can forestall intellectual decay, and the advantages can keep going for upwards of 5 years. In his own examination has discovered that a 14-day program of mental preparing can really overhaul the cerebrum. We've seen proof on mind examines that memory improves. Attempt it. Fortify your psyche consistently by doing crossword riddles or Sudoku on paper or through a cell phone application.